This week at NASA.
And liftoff of the ISS Progress 46, the 46th resupply ship to the International Space Station.
After a two-day trip that began with its launch from the Baikonur Cosmodrome in Kazakhstan, an unpiloted Russian Progress cargo ship successfully mated with the International Space Station's Pirs docking compartment. The docking occurred as the two spacecraft were traveling about 240 miles above the northeast coast of Brazil.
Everything's nominal contact.
The supply ship delivers about 2.9 tons of food, fuel, and equipment to the 6 crew members on board the ISS. The Progress spacecraft is scheduled to remain docked to Pirs until late April.
The biggest storm on the Sun in years erupted on January 22nd with a huge solar flare, an Earth-directed coronal mass ejection, or CME, and a burst of fast-moving, highly energetic protons. According to NOAA's Space Weather Prediction Center, these solar energetic particles caused the strongest solar radiation storm since September 2005.
We're expecting to reach the solar maximum in terms of activity sometime around next year. So we're expecting to have more these kinds of solar eruptions in the coming 2 or 3 years.
Closely monitored by NASA scientists, the storm caused no major disruptions to operating technological systems in space or on the ground, such as satellite communications or high-voltage power transmission. The warming of the Earth's surface continues. That, according to scientists at NASA's Goddard Institute for Space Studies in New York, who say the average global surface temperature in 2011 was the 9th warmest since 1880. The finding continues a trend in which